Okay, today I want to show you the details of the air bleed. This is the solenoid bulb I use for the air bleed. Okay, and there goes a hose. This one, the hose is connected to a T connector. Another leg is going to the positive crankcase ventilation, and another is going to the intake manifold. Okay, I installed a small aluminum bracket right here, this one, to hold the limit switch. Okay, and the limit switch is triggered. I don't know if you can see this, but it's being triggered. This is the limit switch lever. It's being triggered by when you step on the gas pedal. It's not very clear, but I hope you can see this. Okay, you can see that one moving, triggered. Okay, that is basically the air bleed setup.